business world, choosing the right business school can shape not just a career but a lifetime of opportunities. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are excited to introduce you to the International Institute of Business Studies, popularly known as IIBS, one of the leading business schools in India. IIBS is located in Bangalore, Karnataka and was established in 2008 under the Srimati B. Devi Educational and Charitable Trust by renowned educationist Dr. Jayaprakash. The institute was founded with a clear vision to provide world-class business education and prepare students for leadership roles in a dynamic and competitive global environment. Talking about infrastructure, the IIBS campus spans approximately 1 acre and is equipped with modern facilities such as smart classrooms, computer labs, a digital library, auditoriums, and dedicated student activity spaces. The campus is designed to support both academic excellence and holistic development. IIBS is NAAC A-grade accredited, UGC recognized, AICTE approved, and affiliated with Bangalore City University, ensuring nationally and internationally recognized education. Its strategic location in Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, provides students with exposure to multinational companies, startups, and industry leaders, greatly enhancing learning and networking opportunities. Now let's talk about academics. IIBS offers a wide range of programs including MBA, PGDM.
IIBS fee structure, MBA and PGDM total fees is 9.5 lakh. Other expenses is around 45,000. So your total fees will be 9.95 including other expenses.
BBA and BCom along with integrated undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Student can specialize in areas such as marketing, finance, human resource management, business analytics, international business, operation and entrepreneurship, allowing them to align their education with their career goals. The teaching methodology emphasizes experiential learning through live projects, internships, case studies, corporate visits, workshops, and guest lecture by industry experts. The faculty at IIBS brings together strong academic backgrounds and real-world industry experience, creating a practical, innovative, and industry-oriented learning environment.
Now let's move on to one of the most important aspects, placements. IIBS has a dedicated training and placement cell that starts preparing students for their careers from the very first year. Students receive training in communication skills, aptitude, leadership, resume building, interview preparation, and corporate etiquette. The institute has strong placement ties with leading national and multinational companies across sectors like IT banking, FMCG, consulting, e-commerce, healthcare, manufacturing, and logistics. Students are placed in roles such as marketing, finance, human resources, operations, business development, analytics, and management training positions. In terms of salary outcomes, IIBS has shown impressive performance, often including incentives and bonuses. Now let's talk about fees and return on investment. For MBA or PGDM programs, the tuition fees is approximately 9 lakh to 9 lakh 50,000 for 2 years. Undergraduate programs like BBA or BCom cost around 6 lakh for 3 years. To make education more affordable, IIBS offers merit-based, entrance exam-based and category-based scholarships. Significantly improving ROI, many students recover their academic investment within just a few years of graduation. Talking about admissions, IIBS accepts scores from CAT, MAT, CMAT, XAT, ATMA or its own IIBS AT exam. The selection process includes entrance exam scores, group discussion and personal interview, ensuring a transparent and fair admission system.
PGDM highest placement was 59.5 LPA and average was 9.8. MBA highest placement was 48 LPA, average was 8.75 LPA. For degree program like BBA, BCA, BCom, total fees is 4.3 and highest package is 12 LPA. IIBS fees is affordable compared to other colleges in Bangalore. Call us now to book your seat. Numbers are on the screen.
So, if you are looking for an institute that doesn't just give you a degree but builds your confidence, skills, and leadership mindset, IIBS truly stands out for this. In conclusion, I can say that IIBS combines academic excellence, practical exposure, modern infrastructure, strong industry connections, and excellent placement support, making it an ideal choice for students aspiring to build successful careers in business and management. With its focus on leadership, skill development, and global readiness, IIBS continues to nurture confident, capable, and future-ready professionals prepared to thrive in competitive national and international job markets. So friends, thank you for watching this video.